Are you having a registration is required to use this network error on Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Nintendo Switch. Before moving to any advanced step, first restart your console. A simple restart can sometimes fix the issue. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then turn off your router or modem and detach all the power cords attached to the devices and from the source. Allow a few minutes to pass and then attach the power cord turn on your router or modem and then turn on the Nintendo Switch. Check if this has fixed the problem, else move on to the next step. Method 2. Remove and re-add the internet connection. Sometimes due to an unstable network connection, you may have issues like this on your Nintendo Switch. So remove and re-add the internet connection on your Nintendo Switch. To do so, open Settings of your Nintendo Switch. Then choose the Internet option. Click on Internet Settings and then choose the network you are using. Then select Clear Settings. Then delete settings and confirm your action if asked. Wait for a few minutes and then add the Wi-Fi connection back. Method 3. Change DNS settings. You mostly get this error as the DNS server you are connected to requires authentication. Follow the instructions given to finish the steps. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change settings. Then select DNS settings. Change it to the manual option. Set the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you are getting any errors now. Method 4. Update the console. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Connect to the internet, then navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 5. Check your Nintendo's server status. You can also check the Nintendo server status from the Twitter handle or the official website. If there is any problem on Nintendo's server side, then you can check it from here. In case you find the server is down, wait for some time till everything gets back to normal. If you get a Nintendo error after that, then proceed with the next methods. Method 6. Contact customer support. If the methods shown here cannot fix the issue, contact Nintendo official support. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also look for a repair and follow the on-screen guide. And there you have it. The methods to fix registration is required to use this network error on Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.